The Ahopegarden Hydroponics Growing System Kit accelerates plant growth 300% faster than traditional soil planting, making it an excellent choice for indoor gardening enthusiasts. Equipped with a smart LCD display, this kit provides real-time temperature and humidity monitoring, allowing users to effortlessly maintain ideal conditions for their plants. The ultra-quiet water circulation system operates below 40 decibels, ensuring a peaceful environment while efficiently oxygenating roots and distributing nutrients. Its adjustable light post and 5-liter water tank accommodate plants up to 17.32 inches tall, making it suitable for a variety of vegetables and flowers. With dual full-spectrum LED growing modes, this system optimizes growth for both leafy greens and fruit-bearing plants, enhancing the indoor gardening experience. The eco-friendly design of the Ahopegarden system combines low maintenance with high efficiency, providing a sustainable farming solution for urban and home settings.